I'm Sawyer. A few years ago, I started from nothing. No experience, no connection, just ambition. Today, I earn over 100,000 bucks every week and own multiple properties across different countries. But what matters most isn't what I have, it's what I share. In my Telegram channel, you will get free education, free practice, and real trading signals. Join my community and message me because your results are here.
After a bad streak, confidence fades fast. You start doubting even your best setups. I've been there, hesitation at every click. The solution isn't trading more, it's trading smaller. Reduce risk until the mind trusts again.
We are opening two buy trades here as soon as I noticed the candle showing upward moment. I open the trades because when the closing candle shows an upward impulse, it usually means the next candle should also move up.
Join my Sawyer Community where I teach for free. Real strategy lesson and practice, free daily signals, step-by-step trading guide. Your results start the moment you take the first step. Tap below and enter the group.
Let's break this setup down. Opening in the direction of the trend is always more reliable than trading against it. The price is moving inside the Keltner channel and right now we can see a bounce from the lower band. We also observe that both stochastic indicators are coming out of the oversold zone, which gives a strong confirmation to buy. That's why we open two upward trades here. In the final seconds, both positions close in profit.
But there are days when I lose patience. I see the setup early and rush in, only to watch it reverse. It's funny how 1 minute can expose all your impatience. I used to blame the market, now I blame my timing. Awareness is the cure of impulse. For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader.
Here we are opening a buy trade. In this case, we are trading against the main trend. So let's observe how the movement develops. Right now a new local low is forming and after that I expect the price movement to turn upward. For clarity, here we can mark the support area and the newly formed local low, from which we will expect the upward reversal. Both stochastic indicators are now in the oversold zone, so we will wait for a breakout upward. It wasn't the best entry level. Right after we opened, the previous candle pushed down. But even with the imperfect entry, the trade still closes successfully in profit.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze.
Most traders lose because they try to learn alone. I made it simple. My Telegram group gives you everything. Free training and breakdowns, live practice on real charts, and free daily signals with 70% win rate. Join now and see what real guide feels like.